Go to Settings by clicking on the gears icon. Go to the website settings. Here, you can edit your general website settings, name of your company, field of expertise, and contact information. On the right tab, you can set your website settings. You can set the preferred language of your website. Here, you can type your meta tags for your site's SEO. Here, you can upload an image for your fav icon. And by checking or unchecking this button, you will enable or disable the mobile version of your website. Once you are done editing your settings, click Done.